Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Log Here Learning. In this video we are going to solve ICSE Mathematics Class 8 Chapter 1 Rational Numbers Exercise 1 Equation 6. This is which of the symbols equal to, less than or greater than should replace the blank symbol, blank space, right? So basically here also we have to compare the numbers only, but the only difference here is what, that we have to use the signs rather than telling greater than or less than. Rather, like in the previous questions we told greater number, smaller number, here simply put the signs. So first we have 10 by 3 or 1, very simple. You can see 10 by 3 will be as it is. 1 can be written as 1 by 1, so that can be written as 3 by 3 with the denominator 3. So compare again, 10 by 3 is greater than 3 by 3. Basically we have made the denominators the same, 3 and 3, and 1 then changes to 3. So 10 and 3, which one is greater? 10, so we'll put the greater than sign. Fine. Now okay, so second one is going to be minus 1 by 2 and the second one is minus 3 by 5. So again, what are we supposed to do? Make the denominator same. 2 and 5, LCM of 2 and 5 is 10. Keep it in mind. So into 5 and into 2. Same thing here, into 5. Sorry, this is into 2, not 5. Okay, into 2, and this one will also be into 2, right? Denominator is becoming 10. So here we multiply, and the same we will be. Here we are making the denominator same, into 5 and into 2 into 2. So this is going to be minus 5 upon 10 and minus 6 upon 10. Again, which one is greater or smaller, minus 5 or minus 6? Minus 6 is smaller and minus 5 is greater. So we put this sign here as well. Alright, next step, so the next part, right? So next part is the third one. So third one, minus 3 by 4 or minus 2 by 3. So same thing we will be doing with third one as well. Find the LCM. 4 and 3 LCM will be 12. 4 into 3, 12, minus 3 into 3 as well. Here multiplying by 3, here also we are going to multiply by 3. You can mention here the LCM also, right? LCM is 12. So minus 3 into 3, 9, and 4 into 3, 12. And same thing, minus 2 upon 3. How to make 3 12? Multiply it by 4. So into 4, and same will do with the numerator also. That will give us minus 8 upon 12. Okay, and this one will give us minus 9 upon 12. So we have minus 9 upon 12 minus 8 upon 12. Compare which one is greater and smaller. Minus 8 is greater than minus 9. So put the sign this way, and same thing here. Now let's head on to the next one. So you can see here, next one is option 4 and question 4, right? And we have minus 2 whole 3 by 7 and we have minus 2 whole 3 by 5. Convert the two mixed fractions into improper fractions, the first step. So 7 into 3, 14, 1, 17, minus 17 upon 7. Alright, and this one will be minus 13 upon 5. Okay, 10 and then minus 3. Okay, so we're going to get here minus 13 by 5 and minus 17 by 7. Next is we will change the denominators. So first of all we need to know the LCM of 7 and 5, right? First thing, so LCM of 7 and 5 is what? 35. Very clearly we know this, right? So you can write this down, 35. Now we're going to change the denominators accordingly. See how? Minus 17 upon 7 into 5. Okay, and here also into 5. So minus 17 into 5 is what? Minus 17 into 5 is 80, right? 8 will be 35. Now other fraction, minus 13 by 5 into 7 into this is 7, right? So this will be 65 and then 65, 78 and 91. So 91 upon 35, and also put the minus signs, right? So minus 85 by 35 and minus 91 by 35. Compare yourself and tell which is greater and smaller. Of course, minus 85 is greater than minus 91. So put the sign this way. Let's move on to the next one. Next one is fifth part, and this is 8 by 7 and 12 by 9. Very simple. 9 into, first of all, the LCM, right? So LCM of 7 and 9. Do you think LCM of 7 and 9 is 63? So what are we going to do next? See here, 7 into 9 is 63, 9 into 7 is 63. Now put that right there as well. Right, same digits. So this will be 8 into 9 is 72 upon 7 into 9 63, and here 12 into 7 is 84, right? Sorry, 9. So this will be 84 upon 63. Now compare which one is greater. 84 is greater than 72, right? So put the sign this way. Next, the second part, and here what have we got? The sixth part, right? Minus 2 by 3 and 4 by minus 7. Same thing here also, we will take the minus sign to the numerator. So minus 2 by 3 minus 4 by 7, and again make their denominators the same. So LCM of 3 into 7, which is 21. So second step, LCM we know 21. Now make the denominators the same. Okay, so make the denominators the same. This will be minus 2 by 3 into 7 into 7, that is minus 14 and 21. And next one, minus 4 by 7, so minus 7 into 3, 4 into 3, minus 12 upon 21. Now compare them again. So minus 14 by 21, minus 12 by 21. So same thing, you can compare it on your own. Minus 14 is greater than minus 12, so put the sign this way. Last one, right? We have 13 by minus 15 and 10 by minus 11. So take the minus signs to the numerators. Minus 13 by 15 and minus 10 by 11. Now again we're going to make the denominators same. So LCM of 15 and 11, right? So what is the LCM of 15 and 11? This will be 15 and 1, so 165, right? This becomes the LCM of 15 and 11. Now again convert this accordingly. So minus 13 upon 15 into this 11, and here into 11 also. So this will be minus what? 3 and 1, right? So 143. Okay, minus 143 upon 15 into 11 is 165, and same we'll do with the other one also. That is minus 10 by 11, so into 15 into 15, which is minus 150 upon 11 into 15 is what? 165. Now compare, will be what? Minus 13 by 15 is minus 143 by 165, and this is minus 150 by 165. Which one is greater? Minus 143 is greater, and we have to bring them to their original form also. So minus 143 upon 165 is 13 by minus 15, and minus 150 by 165 is 10 by minus 11. Sign will be the same, the sign will not change, so we put the sign like this. Okay, next part, 0 and 5, minus 5 by minus 9. So here also you can see minus 5 by minus 9, it is what? It is a fraction, but we will cut the numerators minus 5 and minus 9. Okay, so let's see what will that give us. Let me show you here. This will be 0 minus 5 by minus 9, right? So you can do this mentally even. Minus 5 by minus 9, cut the minus signs, so 5 by 9. 0 or minus 0 or 5 by 9, which one is greater? So of course 5 by 9 is greater than 0, because 5 by 9 is definitely less than 1 whole, but it is also more than 0, right? So any positive number is always greater than 0, and negative if it would have been so small, right? So put the sign this way. And friends, this is all for today. If you are new to my YouTube channel, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like on this one. Till then, take good care of yourselves and bye.